Blessed day viewers and subscribers. Chronicler continues to dominate the UK with some banger performances, people. While back in Jamaica, viewers, a delivery driver tries to trick a Chinese man and it did not end well.
Boy, they mean.
Yeah.
Let me stay so bam. And when the boy them a give you all gas money, you know.
Yeah.
The boy them a send you one special gas station that they will bring the receipt, come give them. You see what I say?
While another update, my people, a man could be seen in a viral video sending a strong warning to a police officer. Him claim say running him house, thief him clothes, seize him car, and try to send him go to prison. And remember, viewers, all of this is allegedly.
Look at this. You see? Yo, you see me cool them? Where you thief? You see me car? My jewelry, my clothes, my furniture, them everything. Where you misplaced? Where you thief?
Lavish your bad dada, done dada, bad murder. Them call you bad for life, you need done dada. Quick time bad for life, you know it's one of the lives of the sending for lavish. If you now watch lavish TV, you know, something wrong with you, you know.
Some boys have all badness and they never see a rifle here. When the bad people in there are wearing now. Yo, let me say that me a baby. Please come in and bless me. All I feel me and when you're different of them and put up some money. All of the females that with your bust and gun put on in our one book like here. Yo, hey, where me now? I'm just saying that, please come in and get what we don't waste picture of the wall. Look how we're paralyzed to everything. Look, can't even sleep when they lay down. You don't just come on in. The roads from the guys up to summer way. Hey, where me now? Me now. I'm a great future full of dark. Friends make it seem like but me can't let me.
Work, you know. I drive a bus for them, see? Boy, they mean.
Yeah.
Let me stay so bam. And when the boy them a give you all gas money, you know.
Yeah.
The boy them a send you one special gas station that they will bring the receipt, come give them. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So me a second I say, every day with them on the road and can't get a house clean. Nothing. Anyway, weekend gone now. Work 1 week. Gone now yard, weekend come. When come I work Monday morning. I say, morning Mr. Chin.
Morning to you, driver.
I say, I don't see my boss Mr. Chin.
We say your boss gonna put in chicks. So you gonna call it boss lay hand.
I say, alright. Anyway, 12 o'clock come and I go check the man for the bus. I go on and I say, yeah man, I mean Mr. Chin sent for the bus, you know.
Yeah.
I say, oh, the bus ready man, we put in the cheese and everything, you know. Hear me too, you know. So why key there? Man say, oh, you're a mad man. Mr. Chin, I'll put cheese in the bus and give you a key. Hear me now, blouse and skirt. Can't cut a key off of this. There's no key in there. Anyway, I reach back in. Go up on the road another day. And Mr. Chin said,
Driver. You sit in the bus. So me collect money, put in chicks.
Oh yeah, Chubby.
me second.
Oh yeah.
Right. Do what we are doing, me as a chubby here go on, nothing go on the road for me.
Yeah.
Brother, all of them money can't go in the chase, you know.
Yeah.
The response to Mr. Chin, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so you are going, this is the first two we sell at town. And I'll pack that I go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, sell all about the place, all whole about we go.
Yeah.
And full up the cheese, that time we pack it fat already, you know. Full up the cheese and come in and Mr. Chin come out. Pulling cheese with him key. You know, you say nothing more than say,
Driver. Good job, everything okay, good job.
I say, yes, sir. 2 weeks pass. Mr. Chin come.
Driver.
I say, yes, Mr. Chin.
Yeah.
2 location we sell you go to no see money.
Yeah.
I said, no, man, Mr. Chin, remember, I come back with the bus and say everything all right, man.
Yeah. Driver, we don't see money, huh? I thief, are you thief,
Me, I said, no, Mr. Chin, but we not see no man. Virgin, yeah, you hear me? Then Mr. Chin say, all right.
We watch us see. We watch us see.
Some wait till Friday. When Friday come, everybody name I call in the alphabet.
Yeah.
Remember, say my name is C, you know, Courtney, you know.
Yeah.
The man start all weird and happy. I call all Paul. So I say, why Paul C and I call Paul? I call the alphabet, I come up, my name can't call.
Then Friday if you get paid.
Yeah. Everybody get paid. I'm gone now, mention. When me did them hear me there?
I can't.
He said, yes, Mr. Chin.
Can
So, man, I bark after me like a dog, you know, so I'm going there.
Sit down.
Sit down, sir.
Yeah. What happened to money? Yeah.
Yeah, so Mr. Chin. I don't know not about no money, sir.
What happened?
You see that police boy there named Peter Pike, thief in Peter Pike. You may talk now. See? I'm going to hope that investigation where you're under, you learn a bumbo clot lesson, boy. You see your thief in boy, Peter Pike, I'm going to tell you this. You see? Yo, you see me cool them. Where you thief? You see me car, my jewelry, my clothes, my furniture, them everything. Where you misplaced, where you thief? I'm going to tell you this. You see? If me not get paid by the hook, I'm going to get paid by the bumbo clot crook. Me not ease enough. Me on a bumbo ass clot, you know. Me not ease on you know. What me say? Me not ease on you, boy. Bad mind, boy. You coming at my blood clot house and you see my clothes. You see me things them. I get pussy clot red. For what? Me things them. Me I tell you say, yo, me a Tyler, you know. You tell me say, me a thief. See? Alright, cool. So, that's why you pressure me and send me a blood clot. You lock me up, charge me. You and the little fool judge, send me a prison. Boom, what you do? As you know, send me a prison, so you got thief out me things. You thief everything for me, you know. You thief back my car out of the station. You thief all of my tool, you thief everything for me, Peter Pike. Peter Pike will work at Central Police Station at Kingston. Are you me attack? Thief in Bumbleclad, Peter Pike. Peter Pike, me tell you this. If me not done you by the blood clot hook, I gone done you by the crook. If me not done you in the court, I gone done you with some bumbleclad over there. You hear? Pussy, you not get way. You not get way so till you pay me up every bumbleclad dollar. You see any other court not give me no justice? Eh? I go and make Obia give me some pussy clot justice. Me and money, you know. Watch out for me, you know. Mr. Wellness, again, me I go say this to you. You see, any wish part you have a meeting in a month go be our Kingston, I go and find you. So when me turn up at your meeting this time, I go and speak openly. Me I go all disturb your meeting because I realize say, if Jamaican people no come out and act vulgar and behave brawling and behave like them dunce, them no get no fucking attention. Me realize that. Me talk to you. You can't say me not talk to you. Me talk to Miss Marley Mallow Ford. She can't say me not talk to her. Only don't care. Not even for tell me say Mr. Anderson. You know so I'm sorry about it cause yeah, we hear about it and we reach you wrong. And it should reach you because you don't deserve that. No. And this you don't want to do. You don't want to take the people them, lock them up, pressure them because me see I think I go on from prison, you know. When the youth them appeal them case, you know, and the appeal court not pay them no mind, the court send them an affidavit for them sign it and go at them fucking yard without compensation. And at the same trick, wanna play with me. Same fucking trick. You know see it? But I wouldn't settle for that. More than never give in to that. Mr. Wallace, me not all that done, you know. Me not all that done. Me have things in my head. Half of when me know people never even, when some people test me, them really know, say, yeah, you have little sense. Me not so fool, you know. I am not all that stupid. Mr. Holness, me I go ask you again. Please, because me not care. Me will make you I have to tell police to lock him down. Me I tell you that. Anywhere you have your meeting them, me will pop up and make you tell your police them to lock up him bumbuck. Because me not easy up, you know. So till you give me some farmer restoration to this. Right? Me want me money. Me want me compensation. Me not supposed to have to beg on you owe it to me. Me deserve it. Me deserve of it, you know, me need it. Man and man, go teach you this. You see police, no fight no gun war with them. No fight no gun war with the system. You not go win. Me tell you how you fight them pussy. You see when police hold you and beat you and rob you and fuck you up, carry them go to court. Not afraid of no bumbuck police, not afraid of nobody. One life every man get. You hear? I see just like how we can lose for we buy them, then can lose for them too. No fight, no gun war with them. No challenge them in a no fucking physical fight. Fight them spiritual. You see, anyhow, you try the court with them and the court no go no justice. Oi, listen up. Sell all on a blood clot, soul fi kill them off. Hey, Peter Pipe, me tell you this. Me a one dangerous motherfucker, you know. You don't know me, you know. Peter Pipe, me we sell all my soul fi get to you. You don't know me, you know. Me sell my soul fi kill you, you know, Peter Pike. Me swear, you know. Peter Pipe, me tell you this. You have to pay me, you know. You have to bumbuckler pay me, Omar, and this. Me not ask Christ that. Peter Pike are either me or you. One out of the two, me I tell you that. Me I tell you Jamaica Constabulary Force that Peter Pike and me have something going. The man rob me and me want me money for all of me bumbuckler thing them with the police boy thief. And anyhow me not get justice in the court, me go and use Obi and get justice. Brawling, me I tell you no that. Me I work, you know. Peter Pipe, me I pick up the blood clot pieces, you know. Me is a Tyler, you know. Two people in a life you can't stop. You cannot stop a trade man and you cannot stop an educated man. I am a trade man and I have little knowledge. So here what? You're fighting a losing battle. You're going to have to find me things them give me. Or you're going to have to pay for it the hard way. Me I tell you that. Me not ask you. Bring it on. I want me money. Peter Pipe, just like how me I tell Andrew Wellness, I want me money, me they tell you. I want money for me things them. Me don't even want about the things them, dog. I want pay for it. Remember me, that are the only way me and your thing I go settle when you pay me. If you not pay me, Peter Pike, pain and sorrow, man. Weeping and mourning, me tell you that. And appeal court.